My turn. For each of these numbers, we're looking to round to one significant figure. This means that we're looking to use the highest non-zero place value, the highest number that isn't zero in our digit to round to. The rounding rules apply here. Obviously, remembering that if our neighbour is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we're going to stay the same and replace everything else with zeros. If our neighbour is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we're going to round up and then replace everything with zeros. So we're always looking at that highest place value, but we've got to make sure it's not 0. So 22, our highest place value is our tens. There's a 2 there, not a 0, so we can carry on. We then look at our neighbour. Our neighbour is 2. So 2 we know keeps us the same. So my rounded value is 20. That wiggly equals means approximately, shows that we've rounded it. So the next one, 1,480. Even though 8 is a higher number, the highest place value actually belongs to the 1 as it's sat in our thousands column. So we look at our 1, we look at its neighbour. Its neighbour is 4. We know 4 means we keep our number the same and replace everything else with zeros. So rounding that to one significant figure would give me 1,000. Try and think of it as significant as the most important. If someone told you they had £1,480, would you care that they had £80 or that they had 1,000? The 1,000 is more important, is more prestigious, it's more significant to you. So the last one on my turn, I've got 200. Its neighbour is 5. Remember, 5 rounds us up first of all, so my 2 becomes a 3. I replace everything else with zeros. You could put 0.0 here, as it is shown as a 0.3 in our original number, but there's no reason to. We know 300.0 is the same as just the number 300. Pause the video here and have a go at the your turn questions. Your turn. So once again, we're looking for the first significant figure to round to. So again, it's always got to be non-zero. If you hit a 0 first, you need to look at the next place value that is a non-zero. Here though, we've got 83. The 10 is higher than the unit. My neighbour is 3. 3 keeps us the same, so my rounded value is 80. The next one, 6,450. My highest place value is my 6 in my thousands column. My neighbour is 4. 4 keeps us the same, so I keep my 6 and replace everything else with zeros. And the last one, I've got 758.4. My highest place value is my 100. I look at its neighbour. Its neighbour is 5. 5 is going to round us up. So I push my 7 up 1 to an 8 and replace everything else with zeros. Again, you could put 800.0, that would still be correct, but there's no need to. We know it's the same as just 800. Use this example to have a go at the next set of questions.